Hi everyone, Max Ringel with Grit. And after 3 short years, we have outgrown our space. Fortunately for us, this just means we need to knock down some walls in our building. We've been under construction for some time now. We're super excited that we're able to move our service team into the new space. So come with me and I'll give you a tour of the new space. We went with the superhero theme because our service desks are superheroes. They go above and beyond for our clients, and we thought it would be fun to showcase that in our new area. We went with a local artist, Kevin Burdick. He airbrushed and freehand all of that you see here, and we really want to thank Kevin for his hard work. We've got the Hulk, Captain America, Iron Man, Spider-Man, Black Widow, Wonder Woman, and even Deadpool. So we're still in the process of setting up the service desk area, but this is where our service desk team is going to sit. This is where all the action happens. We're also going to be incorporating a hybrid model where the service desk can work from home and come back and work at a hotel station here in the service desk area. All right, come with me and we'll check out some of the other offices back here. We enlisted Revamp Interiors to design our new space. We hired them because their core focus is making inspiring office interiors that positively impact your employees and your company's culture. Also, we need to thank Fortuna Homes Incorporated, who is the general contractors that did the construction. We think they did a fantastic job. Really appreciate you guys taking the time and taking the tour with us. We'll look forward to seeing you next time.